no fireworks. Oregon sucks for fireworks. We don't have anything good. If we had bottle rockets, I'd be happy, but we don't have bottle rockets. We don't have firecrackers. We don't have mortars. We don't have anything. The closest thing we have to a decent firework is a smoke bomb, and those only last for like 10 seconds. So the 4th of July, I think, man, if they really wanted to celebrate, they would just legalize all fireworks for like a day. I'm kidding, of course, but that would be cool. There's some states that just have the coolest explosives, but not Oregon. Washington has a little more, so a lot of times we go up there and get some mortars, but they don't have firecrackers or bottle rockets, so that kind of sucks. But the mortars they have are pretty sweet. Illegal in Oregon, but no one really cares, just don't get caught. Okay. But no, I live near Salem, so we go up to Washington sometimes and buy fireworks up there, because it's like an hour just up the road, and you get some decent ones. They're a lot cheaper too, it seems like. The crappier the firework, the more expensive they are. The cooler they are, the cheaper they are, I think. Because the cooler ones, they just put gunpowder in them and say, have fun. But the crappy ones, they know are crappy, so they have to disguise them, and that takes more money because they have to put colorful wrapping paper and everything. Painting the parking lot.